Hi Home Beautiful, I'm Sarah. Welcome to my home. If I had to describe my home in 3 words, I would say it's sprawling but cosy. I live here with my family and we're currently expecting a little one on the way. It's a place that our family loves to gather, so we love to host a lot of special family occasions here and we love entertaining. I also love the different spaces in the home and in particular the kitchen and the butlers. It's a beautiful space to cook in, to host and to have family over. The other place we love to relax is on our balcony upstairs. We back onto a beautiful park and it's so nice to wake up every morning and we have our morning coffee upstairs and it's a nice way just to reset. We're surrounded by nature in this house and I love having some of those elements of nature inside, whether it's a fresh bunch of flowers or beautiful branches from outside. There's a lot of bird influences. They just bring a lot of character to the home and remind us of the period nature of the home. It's a place that is really special to us and we've already had a lot of memories in our home. And it's a house that is growing with us.